Hey guys, welcome to J Davis Vlogs. Today I went out with a sled on the back of the bike to go and pick up some dog food for Jax because he was completely out. Well, he had enough for breakfast, but because I wanted to go off and ride in the snow again because I loved it. Apart from I lost the cover for my roll-offs. Oh well, find that someday. Hopefully tomorrow, because I'm off. Yes. Back onto what I was saying. Because Jax is completely out of dog food, well, enough for breakfast, I wanted to go off and get him some dog food from Pets at Home on the retail park. So I was off in the snow doing that. I had the sled on the back. Had it round a quick release pin. Thought about extending it on two sides and hooking it up that way, but nah, my setup was good enough. Yeah, I don't need to do any editing to this video apart from adding in this narration I'm doing right now and music later on. So I'm not going to time lapse this video. Yeah, you can see how slippery it is when I slam on my front brake. I just slide. It's so deep, so slippy. If my front wheel hadn't have dug into the snow, then I'd probably slid out into the road. Because it's so deep, I wanted to go off my bike because it would have been easier. So I would have thought, but because I got told to stay off the roads, which is a good thing. Because none of the cars could stop. I saw a massive 4x4 skid out earlier at the top of this road. So yeah. Hopefully we're all off tomorrow. Me, Mum and Dad. So that should be good. I've already tried to do this narration once, but it failed. Just because my voice was too quiet. It didn't pick up half of what I was saying. But now that I'm close to the microphone, should pick it up. Also, that line across the screen, that's a bit of snow that's dripped down whilst the GoPro's been in the house, in the case. So, yeah. You can see how slippery it is because I just lost control of the bike. Like, you know, I could get traction, but it just wasn't good enough. And there again, I've dropped the bike. Just because traction is good, but it's just too deep, I just could not get control of it. I've had so many comments saying like, "Oh, I like your setup. Maybe next time it snows, we should do that, shouldn't we?" To the kids, moms, dads, to kids. But all I did it for was just because I couldn't carry the dog food back because it was just too snow. So it was just too much snow on the ground. What happened there? Oh, that's when I hit the tree with my GoPro. And put even more snow on my GoPro lens now. I didn't take any keys out with me, so I couldn't have locked the bike up. But yeah, there's where the sled got caught and I couldn't get my foot over it. I did in the end, but to start with I couldn't get my foot. It only got caught on the back wheel because I stopped too soon. Yeah, I said to him I should have started my own taxi company. I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but, you know, helping the elderly get out and about. Because I've got some spare tyres in the shed, just put a few thumbtacks in there. And then started pushing the bike. Screw you, sled. Ugh. That's about the only thing that I could remember what I said. Screw you, sled. The rest of it I was just blabbering on about, oh, I love the snow, I hate the snow. I love the snow when it's this much when the college is closed, but I hate the snow when I can't ride in it. But yeah, you'll see how deep it is in a minute when I have to go over to the side of the road. Just trying to watch them. See, that's how deep it is. Just stand in the middle of the road, why don't you? Middle of the path. At least it gets over. It should be the little kid throwing the snowballs at the dad, not the woman. I couldn't help but have a little chuckle that the kid was trying to join in. But yeah, because I had no second or first or second gears on the front because of the bottom bracket being all as bad as it is. I had to have it in 3 and 1, which is alright. Yeah, just join up with the road now. But you can see how much trouble I'm having with my bike because it kept changing gears on me. But I wouldn't even try to wheelie in this snow. Because normally when I'm out in the rain or whatever, I normally do a little bit of a wheelie. But in this, no chance. So you can see how slick it is, how slippery and icy it is out. Because I join it with the roads because it's just too thick on the pavements. So, but at least I've gone out. That's one main thing. I can see me doing a narration for the whole thing. But hopefully I added a bit of music. Like about 15 minutes in, there should be a bit of music that turns on and narration stops. But I'm nearly there. Nearly at the retail park now. It's still snowing, as you can see. I'm trying to be careful, trying not to get tethered caught up in the sled again. Caught up in my back wheel. I get right over to the car, because if these kids slip, start sliding, because they're only kids, they're not experienced. But if they start sliding, then they're going to hit the car before they hit me. They'll hit the car and bounce off, then they won't hit me. But as I'm coming round, I do a little bit of a car horn. I go beep beep twice in case cars are coming. So yeah, luckily there were no cars on these side roads. I don't think anybody would be taking cars out anyway. But I did stop off at the Loco on the way back to pick up a packet of gold bars, a Pepsi for me, and a drink for Dad. I couldn't find anything for me, so gold bars are for me and Mum. Mainly me, because I bought them. No, my look, Mum, and Dad. Ah, look at this dog. Such a cute dog. So soft. Like the water in my gloves. But said I bet he's loving this weather. pretty sure he wanted to go in the sled. And I'll give him a little head nod to say hi. You know. And then I carry on riding. But it's alright going one way with the sled. It's just going the other. That's why if I do this again, I'll add a bit of string to the back. So that it's not on one side of the bike more than the other. It's equal then. But yeah, I just totally get stuck. And I thought to myself, I'll bet that tow truck spin out quite a few times today, that flatbed. Going through this alley, thinking, right, I'm going to have my feet down now. Because it's going to be really slippery. It's not as bad, so I start pedaling. Well, it's not as bad as what I first thought it was going to be anyway. I knew it was still going to be bad. But apparently it's going to be -4 tonight, so it's going to freeze all back over again. So I should have gone down to Office Depot and got those thumbtacks, put them in my old tyres, put them on the bike. Give me a bit of extra grip in the snow. They act as snow chains. But yeah, you can see what I mean about it bending a bit further than the other. It going more one way than the other, basically. Just because I've got the cord on the left side instead of the right side. Oh well. Learn by your mistakes, I guess. Yep. I'm just trying to be careful because it's quite a tight turn. There's a Jeep Cherokee right there that's obviously been there overnight. You can't see the ice, but when I was there, I could see all the ice, so I've got 1 foot down in case I slide. But I don't take, everybody else takes a left turn in all the slush, I don't, so I carry on going straight around on all the ice, praying to God nobody follows me. Because if somebody followed me, they lost control, they go straight into the back of me. Yeah, look, you can see how icy it is now. I mean, I have got no grip whatsoever, mind you, because I haven't got snow tyres on. I think if it's going to be like this, again, it's always good to have an extra pair of tyres that have got snow tacks in, thumb tacks in, just because you don't know when you'll need them. I really wanted to take the Kona out though. Really wanted to take the Kona out. I mean, I don't know if I captured it, but a little bit further on in the video, I started bouncing up off the bike. It was that bouncy. Like, my feet started to come up off the pegs. Not like that, my whole body came up off the pegs, and it was only my hands that stayed in contact with the bike. But I give him distance in case he starts sliding. Same with this one, look. I give cars distance, and then she was turning left, so yeah. You can't even see the road markings, it's that icy and snowy and slushy and whatever else. You can see where people have slipped though. I mean, I've still got a sled on the back, but it's full of snow. But that was fun, that was, towing the sled.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light